Xinhua Updated 20,170,922 image taken on September 20, 2017 shows a tourist taking pictures during the passing of Hurricane Maria in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Roosevelt Scarrett, Prime Minister of Dominica, confirmed on Thursday that at least 15 people were killed and some 20 were missing when that Hurricane Maria attacked the country on Monday. Photo Xinhua Kingston Roosevelt Scarrett, Prime Minister of Dominica, confirmed on Thursday that at least 15 people were killed and some 20 were missing when that Hurricane Maria attacked the country on Monday. Scarrett disclosed the information while being exclusively interviewed by neighboring country Antigua and Barbuda ABS TV and radio on Thursday as Dominica's telecommunication and transportation were disconnected after the disaster. Scarrett said the destruction is big and it will take long time for the country to recover. Category 5 Hurricane Maria landed Dominica on Monday evening with a speed at 260 km/h. In August 2015, Tropical Storm Erica battered Dominica, killing at least 20 people.